Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. Dengue cases continue to rise at an alarming rate in several cities of KP and Punjab full stop according to data provided by the KP government, a grand total of 3,300 cases have been reported in the province. Full stop. News reports indicate that the authorities are having a hard time persuading the public to adopt precautionary measures. Full stop. On the other hand, it is not clear what steps the authorities have taken to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes in high risk areas. Full stop. According to a news report, a large number of citizens have complained that no fumigation has been carried out in their areas. Full stop. New paragraph. Meanwhile, the situation is even grimmer in Punjab, where the total number of cases so far this year is reported to be around 4,900, semicolon. A dozen people have died from dengue complications. Full stop. The city most affected is Lahore, where at the time of writing 3,600 plus cases had been confirmed. Full stop. At present, around 1,300 patients are being treated in hospitals across the province, with more than 600 in Lahore alone. Full stop. New paragraph. The cases are expected to rise further, prompting the authorities to set up a 280-bed field hospital in Lahore's Expo Center. Full stop. In Islamabad and Rawalpindi, cases continue to rise despite the now optimism of health authorities that cooler weather due to the recent rains would automatically result in a drop in dengue cases. Full stop. Over 200 cases were reported from the twin cities on Tuesday. Full stop. While the situation has not yet assumed the proportions seen in 2019, when around 17,000 cases were reported from the Islamabad area alone, the numbers are rising rapidly, and, if not checked, might further strain the already stressed healthcare system. Full stop. New paragraph. Besides monitoring the situation closely and carrying out fumigation, the authorities should also seek expert help to tackle the dengue outbreak, which has become a regular feature. Full stop. Moreover, the KP and Punjab governments should launch an aggressive information campaign to address the misinformation about the cause and nature of dengue, while encouraging people to take precautions. Full stop.